Losing a dog can be like losing a child, except so much worse. When we lost our dog Kona, we had her cremated so that she could always be with us and still spend time with me in her favorite place, the garage. Of course, I'm not one for the run-of-the-mill urn from the internet. Nope. Kona deserves something really special. I want to build something that could hold her ashes, her collar, and be a reminder of her while I'm working on my projects. I drew up what I wanted in Fusion 360, which would consist of a hardwood box with a metal front plate with Kona's face cut into it. It's even got a place for her collar to fit into. I liked this design because I could put some backlight inside, and I thought it would look really nice. Now that I have the design figured out, I just have to build it. The first thing I did was cut the front plate out of 16 gauge sheet steel on the CNC plasma table.
It looks so good!
The plasma cutter does a pretty good job, but still takes some work with the grinder to knock off the slag and give it a uniform surface finish. At this point, I'm really happy with how this is turning out. A little primer and paint will keep this looking great for a long time. And now onto the wooden sides of the box. I used red oak for the sides of the box, which was fitting since we called Kona our red dog. As in Red Dog Garage. Get it? It's the name of the channel. Next, I drilled some pocket holes, so that all the screws would be hidden inside the box. A quick test fit tells me this is looking good. Time for an epic sanding montage. I liked how the red oak looked without any stain, so a couple coats of clear polyurethane is all I used. Before I screwed the front plate on the box, I added these LED lights that I thought would look nice and give the cutout some depth. Time to install the front piece. I also cut out a backside steel plate with 2 hanging points cut into it, but I didn't record any of that. I guess just pretend you saw it. Let's see how it turned out. You made it to the end of the video, which means you're probably like me. Or you fell asleep with the autoplay on again. Either way, I bet you're going to really like the video right about here. Or this one. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.